Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Jamie.
Can you spell it for me, please?
It's Jemi.
And where do you come from?
I come from
And what's your name?
My name is Mina.
Can you spell it for me, please?
M-I-N-A, Mina.
Thank you. And where do you come from?
I come.
Now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself, okay? So Jamie, do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer cold weather
So why do you prefer cold weather?
because in cold weather I can go out and enjoy outdoor activities without getting tired.
So is there any type of weather you don't like?
Yes, I really don't like hot weather in summer because it makes me tired.
Okay, Mina, so which season do you like best?
I like winter season.
So what do you do in that season?
I visit parks and go to the picnics in that season.
Okay, Jamie, do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books because when I read a new book, I get to learn many things.
So how often do you read books?
I read books every night before I sleep. I am so addicted to reading books. Sometimes I cannot fall asleep without half an hour of bedtime reading.
So do you have many books at home?
Yes, I have a lot of books at my home.
So what kinds of book do you like to read?
I like to read story books as well as historical books.
Okay, Mina, what place do you like to visit most?
I like to visit most park.
Okay, and how often do you like to visit parks?
I visit park every holiday.
Okay, and why do you like to visit parks?
I visit park to enjoy fresh open air.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part, I would like you to ask each other some questions. Jimmy, you are going to ask Mina about people you like speaking English with. Mina, you are going to ask Jenny about a child she knows well. Now think about the questions you are going to ask. You have 1.5 minutes. You can make notes if you want. If you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Jamie, are you ready?
Yes.
Please ask your questions now.
Do you enjoy speaking English with people?
Yes, I like speaking English with people.
Who do you speak English with?
I speaking English with my friends and family.
Why do you enjoy speaking English with people?
I enjoy speaking English with people because it helps to learn.
How often do you enjoy speaking English?
I speaking English with people every holiday.
What do you talk about in English?
I talk about daily life in English with people.
How long do you enjoy speaking English with people?
I enjoy speaking English with people for 2 hours.
Who else do you talk to?
I also speaking English with my neighbor.
How long do you talk to your neighbor?
I also speaking English for 1 hour.
Do you speak English with your teacher?
Yes, I try speak English with my teacher.
Okay, Amina, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Please ask your questions now.
Can you tell me about a child you know well?
Yes, of course I can. The child I know well, his name is Anas.
How do you know him?
I know him because he is my nephew.
What do you know about him?
He is so kind and intelligent child.
How often do you meet him?
I meet him every weekend.
What do you do with him?
I play with him to make him happy.
What do you do play?
I play hide and seek with him to entertain.
Is he a good child?
Yes, he is such a good child.
What does he do?
He is a student, read in class 4.
How old is he?
He is 10 years old.
What is he like?
He is a clever boy.
Does he like you?
Yes, he likes me a lot.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You hear 2 people talking about their classes. Who is talking? A student, a parent, a teacher. Now listen to the information. Thank you. So, Jimmy, in the first recording, who is talking? A student, a parent, or a teacher?
A teacher.
Thank you. Mina, in the second recording, who is talking? A student, a parent, a teacher?
A parent.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to listen to the recordings again and answer these questions. Mina, in the first recording, what does Mrs. Black teach and how long is the course? In the second recording, Jamie, what does Mr. Chang teach and what number is the classroom? Now listen to the recording again. Okay. Mina, in the first recording, what does Mrs. Black teach?
Math.
Okay. And how long is the course?
10 weeks.
Thank you. In the second recording, Jamie, what does Mr. Chang teach
Science.
and what number is the classroom?
Room 24.
Thank you. Now in this part of the test, you are going to talk together about the food you like to cook at home. So talk together about the food you like to cook and how often do you like to cook these foods?
I like cooking at home. Do you like cooking at home?
Yes, I like cooking at home. What do you like cooking?
I like cooking chicken curry at home. What about you?
I like cooking biryani at home. How often do you cook at home?
I like cooking at home occasionally. Do you like cooking at home every day?
No, I like cooking at home at a holiday only because I get free time then.
Also, I like cooking at home because it is more hygienic and healthier.
I agree. Who do cook for at home?
My mother cooks for my family. Sometimes I cooking for my friends. Do you like cooking for your friends?
Yes, I do sometimes. I cook fried chicken for my friends at home. What do you cook for your friends at home?
I cook noodles for my friends at home. Do you find cooking at home easy?
Yes, I do, but it takes time.
Yes, I
Thinking? That's the end of the test.